Hi, I'm JC Pohl. I'm on the road here at Los Osos High School out in California. I'm with Principal Joshua Kirk. Joshua and I shot a video actually last year when I was here on the importance of slogans and school messaging, and it's actually been one of our most popular videos. So I want to just take a little time to go a little bit deeper with you. You know, I really believe in school slogans being the cheapest, easiest way to create culture, and Principal Kirk here has developed a slogan called "We is greater than I." So I will link you to the original video down below, but I want to just talk with you, Principal Kirk, about like how you develop the slogan "We is greater than I." Can you walk us through the actual process of coming up with like the actual words?
Certainly. You know what? Prior to coming to the school, I was working with a small committee with a focus of really trying to rally the troops, so to speak, increase unity within our staff, and in conversations with the small committee of staff members I had, we were throwing out ideas and trying to focus on emphasizing the importance of being together in unity over individuals and being separate. And some ideas came out there, we threw some around, and I threw out, hey, well, we is greater than I, you know. And he said, yeah, that it's simple, it makes sense, but it focuses on the importance of unity. So we went with that, and when I came over to Los Osos High School, and I was honored to eventually be the principal here, the same challenge. We have a big campus, and we really wanted to focus on doing the same thing, and we brought it here.
So it sounded like it was like a committee that came together with the sole intention of creating a good slogan.
Right.
And I love it. Like, "We is greater than I." Like, it's only 4 or 5 words. It's very simple.
It is.
Now, one thing that you've done now since last year is you've really grown this momentum around the slogan. Can you tell us some of the cool things that are happening on campus specifically around the slogan?
Oh man, I mean, from making sure it's on our paraphernalia, making sure it's on our gear, our Grizzly gear. I have it in my speeches, back to school night speeches. I have it on our website letters. Even a couple of times last year in a staff meeting, giving out some certificates for the We is Greater Than I certificate for a staff member that has displayed what that really represents. That unity, that family, that thinking about others before yourself, and just making it just part of what we do in our language.
Yeah, I like that it's part of your language and what you do, but one thing that I was, your assistant principal was showing me is that you have it up in your football stadium now. I know you just repainted your campus, so you're actually going to put it big on the walls on campus.
We are. We're excited about it. Definitely.
It's like really kind of putting a flag in the ground and saying, here at Los Osos, we is greater than I.
That's right. And it's something that, when I talk to parents in the community and students, and I even referenced it today, it really does, there's a lot of momentum behind it. And it's easy to understand really what the whole point of it is. We are putting it on our campus. We have a great opportunity to do some new murals. We're going to definitely hit that. It's exciting. It's exciting. And who wants to not celebrate being together, being a family?
Yeah, and the thing, I guess the last thing maybe to mention is that I noticed on some of the emails I received is that you've actually created a logo around it. So it's not just words, "We is greater than I," like it's actual "We is greater than I."
Correct.
You've created a logo that can be branded.
That's right. That's right. And it's something that even without even having to promote it myself, doing it in that way, it can continue the message to keep going. On our ASB Twitter account, the header, it has a group of our kids in the background and the big "We is greater than I" right there. So even our student leaders are helping with that push.
Yeah. Well, school slogans are just an amazing way to build school culture. If you have any questions, I'm happy to connect you here with Principal Kirk. Of course, you can reach us out at Teen Truth on social media and teentruth.net. I will link you to the original video down below, or you can actually find it on our Facebook page if you go to the videos section. Just look for Principal Kirk there, and we'll be talking about school slogans. But it's an honor to be here working with you, and I hope you all have a great day. You take care.
Take care.